Hello, my name is Leanne, and today I'm going to be showing you In Motion, the African American Migration Experience, an online resource available through the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture. This resource allows researchers to analyze different migration movements of African Americans throughout U.S. history, starting from the transatlantic slave trade and going to the modern era. Please note that this website uses a lot of Flash, but there is a non-Flash option available by clicking here if you need it. There's a variety of different ways to search this site, but we're going to start by clicking the Migration tab at the top. So if you scroll through this page, it'll show you the names and dates of various migrations along with a brief description. You can click on any one of these and it'll bring you to the landing page about that migration. So once on the landing page, it'll show you links to the readings about that migration, as well as links to related images, maps, and documents, and as well as educational materials. So when we click on the image gallery, once we're here, we can click on this drop-down menu, and it will show links that are subcategories, and these subcategories are the same ones listed under the reading sections on the previous page. Then if we go back up to the top here, we can click through to see the related texts, maps, and educational materials. So another way to search is by geographic region. So we click geography at the top, and then we can go navigate by region. So we can do the US and then New York. As you can see, New York is linked to all the different migrations. It will show you immigrations into and emigrations out of that region. And so now if we click on any of these links, they'll bring us back to that same landing page from before. The next feature is the timeline, which is accessible by clicking again at the top. The timeline simultaneously shows three different timelines: U.S. history, African diaspora, and African American migrations. Scrolling through the timeline, it will show you the different events of each timeline and how they overlap and correspond with each other. And then if you click any of the migrations at the bottom, it'll give you a brief summary, and then you can view the image gallery or go to the landing page for that migration. Next is the source materials, which is accessible again at the top menu. This allows you to look through each migration and again provides links to the images, maps, and text associated with it. It also has a search toolbar on the side for if you're looking for something specific. All of the educational materials are also available through the top. When you click, it is available to search through migration or by concentration area. So for example, if we click on World Civilizations, it'll show us the corresponding lesson plans. Back on the educational materials page, and also at the bottom of the website, there is a link to a glossary. The glossary will open in a separate pop-up window and contains all the different terms on the website that students might not be familiar with. So that's a brief overview of In Motion, how to use it, and how to search. Thank you.